Right, slight distraction from my lamppost rebuild. My dad's circular saw bench has broken its well, blade access cover, I suppose it is. So I've got some aluminium which I'm going to machine up to replace it with. It's going to be an interesting little job because obviously I've got to put this mitre on here, and there's a very slight mitre on there as well. Hole fixing screw which goes like that. Yeah, there we are. And there's a tag the other end. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be able to do that or not, but we'll see. Right, okay, well, let's get cracking on that. Right, so here's my bit of aluminium plate. First thing I'm going to be doing is truing up the ends. Then I'm going to work out if there's enough depth here to get that little tag. It doesn't need to be as deep as the one that was original there, as long as it's in the right place. Because obviously this is going to be a little bit stronger than the plastic. Then I think I'm going to put the slot in and the drill holes. Then I will be cutting off the angle part, leaving that until last because it's not it's too big to go in my vise, so I can hang on to it with the tang at the moment. So let's true this end up. Since that was cut with the old donkey saw, cuts bloody straight, that old thing. Now flip it round. bit squarer. So I should be cutting a square bottom now. Right, so I need to go down 4.8 mil. I'm on 1.5 now. Right, that'll do. That's close enough. Right, that is the tang. So effectively that's that little bit there. And if it's strong enough in plastic, it's going to be strong enough in aluminium. I might need to square it up a little bit more. I don't know. We'll that's easily touched up with a file when it comes to it. Right, let's do the slot, which means undoing all of this and moving it up. Right, I just measured my distance to here. I've got a little scribe line. You probably can't see it, but I would have liked to have touched off on the back here, but I haven't quite got enough travel to actually get the milling bit down the back here. But either way, I've just scribed it on and I've just moved over until it's just lining it up. I think I've probably about 1/2 mil out. Well, probably not even that actually, probably 1/4 mil, 0.25 by eye. Anyway, so I'm up to the scribe line, so all I've got to do is mark the end line here and one the other end. In fact, I can probably drop down a bit. Come up here and do a depth stop because I know what the depth is there. Just touching, zero that. In fact, I will zero both of them and lock that one off. 318mm is my length. So basically, let's cut. Now the reason I've stopped there is I'm not convinced with my measurements there. I want to double check, and no, I am right. It doesn't look it. Right, okay, that's better. I'm not surprised it's chattering. Obviously I'm getting well away from the device now, but